And welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, I'm Rod, this is Inner Alchemy. And today I'm going to show you how you can make your own capsules. Okay, so why would you want to make your own capsules? Well, a lot of times when you buy your capsules, there's going to be some fillers in there. So this is just a way to know that you're getting pure product in your capsule, nothing else added. Capsules over pills, well, once again, pills have binders to hold them together, so you're getting fillers and binders and all the other stuff. So with your capsules, there's two different types. You've got your gelatin capsules, which is made from generally pig or cow bones, hooves, and connective tissue. Personally, I don't want that. So I'm going the veggie route, which is HPMC, is the chemical that it's broken down into. Basically, it is pine or spruce bark, and they just make the cellulose from the bark. Now, what you're going to need to make your caps is your capsule machine. And to start with, what you're going to need is your capsule machine, which you can pick this up at most health food stores. If you're having trouble finding it, jump online. eBay have them, I think they're about 30 bucks, so they're pretty cheap. And you're going to need your capsules. So you can choose your vegetable or vegetarian capsules or your gelatin capsules. The main difference is what they're made from. These are a little bit whiter, gelatin are a little bit more transparent. Apart from that, there's not much difference about them. They're both going to work the same, and then it's just a matter of matching the size of your capsule machine to the capsules you buy. The capsules I've got are 00, and let's get into it. So all we need to do is, the capsules come like this. You just pop them open, big ones in one side, small ones on the other, and we just go through this. It's, oh, big gust of wind blowing everything away. I'm going to have to move inside. I'll see you inside, guys. Okay, and now we're inside. So apologies if the lighting isn't as good in here, guys. Not much I can do about the weather today. Okay, so powder I'm using today is just ground ginger. Nothing special to it. I know you can add it into your smoothies, but if you're having it multiple times a day, you don't want to be having smoothies that much. So all we're doing, back to it, got my veggie caps, so the HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, and just adding it to the capsule machine. Okay, so real easy. Got a couple in there, and it's basically just filling the holes. So as I said, you've got a few choices. You've got your veggie caps, or you've got your gelatin caps. It really is a matter of preference. I personally don't like animal abuse, so I'm not supporting the slaughter of the animals. If you are, then you do what you do. But yeah, they're both going to break down in the body in about 15 minutes. So there's no delay in getting the powder into your system, depending on which one you're using. They're much the muchness. These guys just have a little bit of a different color. So I do highly recommend making your own capsules. Basically, all it's going to do is make sure you've just got a better finishing product. Yeah, you can get good ones out there, but they are going to be a bit more expensive as well. This way, you're keeping costs down, you're doing it yourself, you know what's in there. It's literally veggie caps and your powder. And don't be afraid to come up with your own combinations of what you want in there. You can make ones for all different things, whether you want anti-inflammatories, you want to boost male or female health. The list is really endless. It's just depending on which powders you get. So all we're doing now, this ground ginger powder is from India and it's still got a lot of the fibers. It's high quality stuff. So I have a friend who just got back from India, so thank you for bringing me this. And all we do is just throw the teaspoons in there, and then you get your tamper tool or your scraper, or not your tamper. And basically you just want to push this around until all of your capsules are full. Now, it is a little bit harder with this because there are the fibers. Generally, you're just going to get straight powder in there, and it's a lot easier. So you don't have to dig through and pull out the fibers, but there you go. And then all you do is you get your tamper tool and just push it down and compacting the powder into the capsules, and then do it again. So that way we're getting full capsules, and different powders obviously compact better or worse depending on what they are. Sometimes you might only get one, have to do it once, other times you'll have to do it 5 times or more. But it doesn't take long, it's super easy. And basically you can do it while you're watching TV, while you're waiting for something to load on your computer, whatever you're doing. Or if you've got kids, I'm sure the kids would like to do it as well and make their own capsules, but maybe not. I'm a bit of a nerd, so I would. And basically it's just repeating this step back and forth. And the reason why I'm using the ginger is you're going to find out in the next few videos I'm putting up is going to be surrounding around ginger, because ginger is such an amazing product, especially ground ginger like this. And I want to help you guys with all the benefits of ginger because it is so cheap and so amazing, especially for women's reproductive, that time of month for women, and basically anti-inflammatory would be the biggest things. Anti-cramps, helping your belly out. Okay, so basically we're going to get one more in and it's going to be done. So what's that, a couple minutes, and you've got 4, 8, 12, you've got 24 caps. There we go. Now push that off, give it one last press down. One more scrape, done. Take that out. Now all we're doing from here is getting the top, pushing the top on, it slides straight in, and then from the bottom this pushes in and that connects the caps, and then all you do, pull out, push them out, and there's your caps, guys. Oops, there's your caps, guys. So super easy, nice and full. Yeah, I really recommend doing this way instead of buying the pre-made ones, guys. Even if it's just for a bit of reassurance. So that's it, guys. That's 24 caps made. Took a couple minutes, also with me explaining. Had to tamper a few times, so it'll be quicker or slower depending on the powder you're using. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this one. There's your caps. If you did like it, please hit like. It really helps a small YouTube channel. Share it with your friends or on your Facebook page. It really helps. And comment down below as well. Beautiful. Thanks, guys. I'll be back real soon. See you then.